Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in today's video we will learn how to migrate a WordPress website using all-in-one WP migration plugin. For this we have written a complete article, so you can follow this article and you can see here the step-by-step process. For this process to migrate your website to the another host, or if you have created a website on local server like XAMPP, still you can migrate to the live server. There might be some reason you want to migrate your website to the another server from your current server because of you want more reliability and uptime, more security features, SEO optimization opportunities, and sometimes cost effectiveness because of sometimes you are paying more money, too much money to your current host and you want to migrate to the affordable web hosting company. So that time you need to migrate your website to another host. In this video we will show you the complete process. Once you have this migration plugin, you can migrate unlimited number of website, any size of website you can migrate from your current host to another hosting company. So here we will migrate this website. This is an e-commerce website, and this website currently you can see it is on DreamHost, and we will migrate this website to Bluehost. So you can see here this is Bluehost dashboard, and this is the website dashboard where we will migrate this website to this domain. Make sure you don't change the DNS of your current domain until the migration is complete. After the migration you can change the DNS, or might be you can transfer your domain name to from your old host to current hosting provider. So let's get started. So suppose this is your current website, so just go to the WordPress dashboard to your current website and just go to the plugin section. Here is the plugin section, just click to the add new. Okay, so you need to install all-in-one WP migration plugin, the free version of this plugin, WP migration. Because of we will take the backup of your complete website like database, files, images, all the things. So here is the plugin. It is available the WordPress directory itself, so you can install from here. We'll install it and activate it. So here is the complete process. You can follow this article. We'll provide the link in description. So just install and activate all-in-one WP migration to your current host. We'll activate this plugin. So here is the process, and now we will export the backup of the website. Just go to the plugin section. Here you can see the export option is available here. Just export your backup of your current website. Alright, so there are multiple backup options available, like you can export as a file format, FTP, Dropbox, or Google Drive. There are lots of options available, but we will export in a file format and we will download this backup in our local computer. So let's wait for some time until the backup is completed. So this plugin is taking backup now. We'll wait some time until the backup is complete. Okay, so once the backup is completed, we'll download this backup. Okay, so there is one more thing you need to consider. You need to make sure if your website backup is less than 500 MB, then you don't need to increase the plugin max file size. Or if your website backup is more than 500 MB, then you need to follow these steps also. Here is the steps, because of you need to increase the max file size of the plugin so the plugin can import and export your website backup. So now what you need to do, because of from your you have purchased a new hosting and you need to install the WordPress to your new hosting provider. If you didn't migrated your domain yet, so you can migrate it on dummy domain, because of every hosting company provides you a dummy domain. So like Bluehost also provides, but I have here a domain So I will migrate to this domain. I will use this domain to migrate the website. So this is your new WordPress, and here you need to install the WordPress, the all-in-one WP migration 6.77 version, because of the plugin is now paid. So we'll show you here the complete free process how you can do that. So download the plugin from here. The 6.77 version you can download from this link. Okay, so here is the link. We'll download this plugin. The plugin has been downloaded, and here we are taking the backup. So until the backup is complete, we'll go to our new WordPress and we'll install the 6.77 of all-in-one WP migration. So you need to install it manually because it is not available in WordPress directory because this plugin is paid now. So just go to the upload and choose the file, choose the plugin which you have downloaded from the link which is available in our website. Just install it. Okay, so now we have activated the plugin. So we need to wait for the backup until the backup is completed. Let's see that what is the size of backup. It is 500 MB or more than 500 MB. So if the backup size is more than 500 MB, then we need to configure the plugin max file size limit by following this step. So so this is one click solution. There are another processes also available to migrate your website. Like you need to take a backup. You need to take a backup of files separately, database separately, and by going into the cPanel, you need to migrate your website. So that is very difficult process. So that's the reason we are showing you this process. If you have WordPress website, you can do this easily. So now guys, you can see the size of the backup is more than 500 MB. It's 643 MB. So we need to follow that step. We need to increase the plugin max file size here. So first download the backup to your local computer. So it's downloading now, and just follow this step here to increase the max file size of the plugin. Just go to your new WordPress and go to the plugin file editor. You can go to the tool section, and in tool section the option is available plugin file editor. Okay, we need to edit the constant PHP file of the plugin. So first you need to select the plugin which you want to edit. Select this plugin, all-in-one WP migration. Go to the constant PHP, and here find the max file size. Just type max file size. You will redirect to that option here. So here you can see that we need to change this line. So we need to copy this line. Okay, so we need to change this line. Let's do that and click to update. Okay, so we are getting some error here. So at this time, in this case, what you need to do, just change this text, this number, just make it 8. Now let's see it works or not. Okay, now it's worked. Okay, now go to the plugin. Now follow these steps again. Import the website. Okay, import the website to new host. Okay, from the plugin menu select import. Okay, we'll go to the import here. Upload the file backup. Just because we have downloaded the backup in file format, so we need to upload the same. Need to follow the same format. Okay, the download is still. in process. Okay, so here we'll go import file. Here is the backup of your old website, so we'll import it here. So now the backup is importing, started importing. So we have to wait some time here until the backup is imported here to your new WordPress website. So it's very simple. Also you can import the backup, upload the backup using FileZilla. So we'll show you that process also in another video. So it's importing now here. We need to wait some time. Okay, the restoration is 97% is almost completed. Okay, now we will click to the proceed. Because of this will overwrite all your previous whatever data or files you have. It will be erase all that and will install or will restore your existing website backup over here. So now it's time to change, it's time to save the permalink. Because of it's necessary to save the permalink to uh, to complete the all data files and databases to be here to be successfully migrated to your new WordPress website. So we need to log in, and at here you need to enter your old hosting, your old website username and password. Because when the migration is happening, your uh, the current password has been reset. So we'll follow old password here. So this is my old website password, username and password. I will log in this website and save the permalinks. Okay, so the permalinks, you don't need to change anything. Just click click to the save changes at least 2 times, so you don't lose any data. And now you can see your website now is on new host. You can check all the pages successfully migrated. You can check. So don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Follow us for more upcoming videos like this. Thank you so much.